Gonna be one of those days. I was doing my laundry and just noticed something a little bit odd when I was drying the inside of the washing machine. Usually wipe that down so it doesn't cause mold and leave the door open, but I just started to wipe it down and look what I found. Well, here we go into the depths of the machine, and uh-oh, that's not the usual. Uh-oh, it's my key fob for my Toyota. Oh, it's about $200. Wonderful. Gotta figure out where I can get a replacement or what's going on now with my soaking wet key fob. Bummer. I went online to see what it cost to replace it, and anywhere from $87 to 200 and something at the dealer. I figured I'd maybe try and take it apart and see if I could dry it out or something. I checked on the YouTube on how to replace the battery, and it showed me how to take it apart. Pretty simple. And found something very, very nice when I opened it up. That is a rubber encapsulation of all the circuitry. A little rubber gasket, and it looks dry inside. There's hope. And when I pop that seal, the circuitry looks totally dry. I might be a dreamer, but I stuck it in a little container of desiccant. Some people use rice, but desiccant is what you really should use. And I'll cover it up for a while. Maybe work on it tomorrow and hopefully put it back together. Okay, I waited a day, took it out of the little desiccant dryer, and dried everything off by hand as well as I could yesterday, and put it out in the sun for about half an hour, 15 minutes, whatever. Now I'm going to put this wonderful little seal back on the unit, put it back together, and what do I say? Yeah. Hope she works. Okay, stuck it all back together, and wasn't that hard. Everything popped right in, stuck the key in. Now the proof's in the pudding. I'm going to see if what happens if this thing explodes or what. Oh, voila. The little red light. Again. Man. If this thing works, I'll be amazed. Made it through a full cycle on hot in the washing machine. And it still works. I didn't even have to take it apart or dry it. I could have just shook it and pushed the button, because that seal, that gasket in there, sealed it totally. Well, don't count my chickens before they hatch. I'm going to go out to the toy, as in Toyota, and see if this puppy works. Well, here we are. Only one thing to do now. See if it works. Got a winner. 100%. Not bad for a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. They're doing something right, huh? Bingo.